Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. The BMW R18 has always been about blending history with modern performance. Inspired by the legendary BMW R5, the 2025 model keeps the old-school charm, but refines it with a more advanced approach. From the exposed shaft drive to the teardrop fuel tank, every detail reflects classic craftsmanship. But don't be fooled. Underneath this retro look lies some serious 21st century engineering. The beast under the tank. At the heart of the R18 is BMW's biggest boxer engine, a 1,802 cubic centimetre air and oil-cooled powerhouse that delivers a thrilling 91 horsepower and 116 pound-feet of torque. The rumble of this twin-cylinder beast is enough to send chills down your spine, while its smooth power delivery ensures a refined yet aggressive riding experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or rolling through city streets, the R18 commands attention. A cruiser with modern tech, BMW didn't hold back on tech. The 2025 R18 comes equipped with ride modes, rain, rock and roll, a new adaptive cruise control system, and a revamped LED lighting setup. The updated suspension provides better handling, ensuring that this heavyweight cruiser remains surprisingly agile. Plus, the integrated navigation and infotainment system make long-distance rides more convenient than ever. Timeless style meets customization. Customization is a big part of the R18's identity. From different seat options to unique paint jobs and exhaust styles, BMW encourages riders to make their R18 truly their own. The 2025 model introduces new factory custom colors and additional accessories that enhance both comfort and aesthetics. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW R18 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. With its perfect blend of heritage, power, and modern innovation, it continues to stand out in the cruiser segment. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just love a classic-styled cruiser with top-tier performance, this bike is a serious contender. Would you take the R18 for a ride? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest rides.